We all carry mobile phones, but if you ask the average person how their phone works, they won't know. It's as if the phone works by magic. In this 5-minute taster lecture, we're going to explore the digital engineering innovations behind the mobile phone and how our phones connect to the rest of the world. Kia ora, my name is Neil Dodgson. I'm a professor in the Faculty of Engineering at Te Waka, Victoria, University of Wellington, and I'm a chartered engineer with Engineering New Zealand, the national professional body. A mobile phone is a fantastic example of engineering in action. So many interesting engineering problems had to be solved to make them work. The battery is one. The first mobile phones had batteries the size of a brick. So how did we reduce the size of the battery to be so small, yet manage to pack it in so that it would run the phone all day? And how does that touch screen work? The screen is a marvel. How do we manage to make such tiny little pixels? There are 2 million on a single screen. How do we build the circuitry to be able to turn any individual one of those 2 million on or off at high speed? Today I'm going to take you on a fast tour of just one part of the mobile phone, how the phone connects to the rest of the world. You know that your phone can do this in several ways, by 4G, by Wi-Fi, by Bluetooth. All of those work by radio waves, but at different frequencies and with different distances to be effective. From kilometers for 4G to centimeters for Bluetooth. Digital engineers find it useful to break communications down into a stack of 7 different layers. The bottom layer is the physical, the antennas that are built into your phone, the electronics that make them work, and the radio waves moving between devices. That's the realm of electronic and electrical engineers. Above that, there are 6 digital layers. The lowest digital layer is the data link layer. That's how your mobile phone makes a direct link to one other nearby device. Next up is the network layer, which is how all the different devices connect together. So there's a way to pass information from your phone to your friend's phone in another city through a sequence of connected computing devices. So now we can connect any 2 phones together, but we have not yet transferred any coherent information between them. The next 2 layers are the transport and session layers. The transport layer determines how and how fast to transmit data between the ends of the connection, including detecting and correcting errors. The session layer controls the setup and termination of each connection between 2 phones. So sending a single text is one session. Making an actual phone call would be another session. So now we have ways of getting data from one phone to another in a sensible way so that what arrives at the far end is what was sent. Above that, there are 2 final layers called presentation and application. These are what makes the data comprehensible and useful to us humans. Presentation converts what the app understands into something the network can handle and then transmit, and then it converts it back at the other end so that the app on your friend's phone understands it. And that includes encryption and decryption, which is a whole course in itself. And at the very top layer is the application level, which is the programming interface that allows an app developer to control the interaction with the network. You put all this together so that when you send your friend a text through your messaging app, the data plows its way down through those 7 layers, ending up as electrons in the antenna, transmitting data to other antennas and being reconstructed at the other end up through the 7 layers so that your friend can see that you just sent them a smiley face emoji. All of that is engineering. From the design of the antennas, through the cool algorithms that allow networked computers to talk to each other, to the programming interface for the app developers. All that is just the work of the network engineers, just one type of digital engineer. Building on top of that are the apps. They're written by software engineers, the people who build the stuff that actually allows you to do amazing things on your phone. Who build, train and use artificial intelligence to achieve things we have never seen before. Who design games that engage and entertain and challenge. Who design user interfaces so that anyone can use the most sophisticated software. And who do all this with an understanding of the ethical and moral implications of what they are building. So mobile phones. Most people think they work as if by magic. Engineers are the people who make the magic happen. Become a digital innovator and shape the future of technology with the Bachelor of Engineering with Honours at Victoria, University of Wellington. Come and be part of the magic.